Good morning, this is Dennis Drive with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon on this bright, beautiful day. We're going to go around together. We're going to go around this unit right here. It's a 2019 Newmar Bay Star 3008. The one thing you're going to notice right off the bat, very beautiful outside colors, kind of a cream that really stands out in a nice light tone. But let's go around this and look at the outside. You know, obviously with the new exteriors, LED turn signals, our side-mounted cameras. As we look back across, 10-gallon water heater. You know, as always when we talk about Newmar, we're going to talk about their great use of insulation, their focus on quality, and their focus on customer care. I don't know if you know that Guarantee is one of the top Newmar dealers who are known for our good care of customers. Here at Guarantee we have our campground, our 56 spot campground, our travel center, so we can take care of all your needs. As you're looking through the Onan 4000 on this unit, and this 3008 is a Bay Star Sport, so 4,000 kW unit, single AC. But if you look across, look at the pass-through storage there. So not only a nice big bay, but excellent pass-through storage. So in this floor plan here at the rear, we have our electrical, additional storage, fuel fill, service bay and fresh water, so on the right the hose is a winterization hose, makes it easy to get it ready for winter with antifreeze. And here in this bay right here, we're going to have our LP tank. So frame mounted, easy to fill, holds quite a bit. But you look around, look at the beautiful colors on this coach and the nice contrast between the cream, the brown, and the dark brown. Well, let's go inside and take a look-see. So in this unit, we have the darker leather, kind of the medium tone woods. 3-burner cooktop with oven, microwave above. RV style refrigerator, gas, LP gas and 110 electric. And this one does have the optional ice maker in it too. One of the nice things about showing a Newmar is being able to share their quality and their decors. Great colors that make sense. Interiors that look together, that look really great together. Queen bed. We're going to have some storage underneath. Headboard windows on each side along with the rear window. It gives you great cooling and illumination. On this side we have our wardrobe at the foot of the bed, hanging wardrobe above, TV to the right along with 6 drawers, 5 drawers plus a place for your electronics. The beauty of LED lights, great decor lights without using much battery. We go here to the middle, additional wardrobe space, hanging wardrobe, and pantry space. I don't know if you've noticed, but one of the things that Newmar does very well by making the interiors out of the light maple, it really makes it easy to see inside. As we move through, booth dinette drops down for sleeping, sofa that will pull out for sleeping, and of course the driver passenger chairs that will turn and kind of join the conversation in the living room. TVs above the overhead. Dual monitors. This one is on the Ford V10 with the 6-speed. And of course includes your passenger side desk. So I'd love to have you come test drive this unit. Just one of many Newmars that we keep in stock, and would enjoy showing with you. So come see us here at Guarantee in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you.